Nuanom, the Namias biom say it me, or my holding you to me as some be my toa, Namiasum na ye can. Na more kind, I hear video no, and say Sabbath no any woman, ye copper tray. Ya church man, say Sabbath no, beginning no, not Sabbath be anyhow. And even say Israel phone kwa so nyakopode emra no, including Sabbath no ma home. And even say yes no. O di mrano so if you say ye wono to mrana se na obewu ye no ona besuafo no ma ye mra foforo ani worship foforo enjene be hu say ani be hu bi hu say Paul a mo say Paul eko edi sabaso ye hu say rather no accusation of the ma Paul no enam so ama o de ko wi Rome enjene ye hu be bia e che say obi edi Sabbath Christosum esum yo obi eni wa ye say Sabbath law was enforced ye hu ya kan am ye hu nothing it just say na Sabbath no and then is enforced na ye nwie ye beto so na omnese we no che say say there is a difference between moral law and ceremonial law. Just say moral law no the Ten Commandments, and ceremonial law no and a year sacrifice no. No the twem na moral law no the entwem ye. But sir I mean distinction here on my ye no. There's nothing like there's no distinction between moral law and ceremonial law. You who be more fast ade no fi because ceremonial law is made holy by reason of a law. A law onyame se yenso si on wa my law se yenso enso lo se wo som no woni bi ho se wo ye na wo che se wo do no ene e fe ceremonial na mo che ceremonial ni ho a na se na law no so ni ho enti sa asem no mo kan bible bi ani ho a I divide it, say there's a difference between moral law and ceremonial law. It will be adjoint and not the casa. Now, the moment share example in Luke chapter 2. Okay, Luke chapter 2. I'm not Yesu 7 days. No, as soon as you know, as I'm not by a time of purification. No, because according to the law, no, say, "Wow, we mayor, I was so good now." Firstborn no you better purification. Now Bible no say time of purification no, according to the law of Moses. So say according to the law of Moses. Now one say no chapter 2 no say according to the law of Moses no, they brought him to Jerusalem to present him to the Lord. They present him to the Lord as it is written in the law of the Lord. But the law of Moses and the law of the Lord, no, there's no difference between. And almost say the law of the Lord, no, Ten Commandments, no, and other ceremony, no, and the law of Moses, no. But Ohasi, no, see, when Omo by Jerusalem, no, to present him before the law, as what is written in the law of the Lord, no, 2 turtle doves should be offered. I don't know, Ten Commandments no who if any actual. There's nothing like that. And our kind of 2 Chronicles 31 verse 3 down so Ezekiel said burnt offering, a Sabbath, a new moon, appointed feast, or see as it's written in the law of the Lord. And you know the law of the Lord of Moses, you know, is the same. It is a nipa person ya dream. But no credit or why there's nothing you can do about it. And there's no difference between the law of the law or the law of law or ceremonial law. There's nothing like that. They are all the same. It can be called the law of the law. It can be called the law of Moses. Okay. I know much say Sabbath. Sabbath will remain forever. And he said Hebrews chapter 4 verse 9. They remain a Sabbath rest for the people of God. Just say Sabbath no there is a forever. ano okay Hebrew chapter 4 verse 9 na enchire Sabbath na ye kan wasem no there be adisi bi a wonti ase na se woti ase a obehu or see they remain the Sabbath rest. The Sabbath rest, so Greek word, sabbatismos. Sabbatismos, distinct from Sabbatha. Sabbath na ye can was no. And no sabbatismos only the blessed day, the blessed rest na ye ya bre. So we are toiling and suffering. No, the rest now we are looking for the age to come through worshippers of God. And true Christians. And no, and the writer of Hebrew, can was him. Some rest, and no can was him. You see, it refers to it refers to the rest Christians have in fellowship with God through what? Love, or through Christ. And Sabbath na ye can wasem no there be and moreover so Sabbath rest na all can wasem Hebrew chapter 4 verse 9 no it's not a command, right? It's a promise. And you know just say we Christians and they has the Sabbath rest for us. Sabbath rest no a sabbatismos the Greek word and a Sabbath na omduma Israel for a Sabbatha. They are two things different things. And then you know a promise and a command. And you know as some more can say Sasaba from actually say Sasaba will know a intro. There's nothing like that. And I see James is just in this Sabbath because James chapter 2 now all can say all chokoma way for no. Christian for say mo we discrimination obi o sigani ba na mama no bi ohiani ba na mo hwene sa no ana mo discrimination na mo say mo nyina media mo nyina me eni ana e do say mutimi nni mani bi na mo nya dem mo nya bi ana wo kotu the two of the Ten Commandments no mama example say mutimi nya etumi mo adultery mutimi ka say mutimi enya adultery na the same time nkunkuku bi also did meaning in also. And you multi partiality. Also James waka mean is two I mean word Ten Commandments never say in. Oh, but James said we have to keep the law, the royal law. Love your neighbor as yourself. And no and Ten Commandments. But you be basso. Almost James say okay, you be basso. But hono enchire kwa say James say yindi Ten Commandments so na mu no ko tu hono na dey example say utimi ni we so enye say a order say no we dey undi so ko enti no so udi nyina so enti make sure we say no no we na unya we na mu na otwa rural law no the king no the supreme no yes no man law say ye no ye nipa ye no ye ho say ye neighbor no na o chire wo almost say for the first say we ko tu we say no na say it's all included. All included now. Let us say, maintain say Ten Commandments no kwa no muka. The Bible no can law and can't Ten Commandments no. Ten Commandments there is summary. Or can't the law now is talking the whole system. The Judaism, the law. And I almost see the Colossians chapter 2 no. Almost just say almost see Colossians 2:16 no. Let no man judge you on meat or moon day or feast or almost just say Greek plural it na Sabbath weekly Sabbath no can was but the intro. And we say Colossians chapter 2 verse 16 no Paul and name ni nyina or see feast no yearly new moon monthly and a Sabbath no weekly. And Paul mention ni nyina the feast the set feast ni nyina. And you know omo can say we say no yearly feast no it's not true. Paul mentioned the whole yearly feast, monthly feast, and then weekly too. Can Colossians chapter 2 verse 16 or see let no man judge you on those things. Anna okay we say so now second chronicle chapter 2 verse 4. Second chronicle chapter 31 verse 3 now. Anna okay na Nehemiah 10:33 so now. Say sa ho no nyina no e ka fa Sabbath no but original no is in what? Is in plural. It doesn't change anything. The same. And oba we say so Ezekiel chapter 45 verse 17 so oka Hosea 2:11 na Galatians 4:10 na nyina eka Sabbath weekly Sabbath na enso no in the original no is in plural Sabbath. Na oba Matthew chapter 28 early in the morning Sabbath day no Mary call Magdalene e call two no Sabbath ya na omukura mutwa no Sabbath for no kutu Sabbath day no aseme the same Sabbaton, the same in plural, but him say weekly Sabbath. Na bahase dia almost there if say that they say yes I'm pastor Paul say me keep Sabbath almost done no say weekly yearly. No, the same weekly. Okay, Luke chapter 4 verse 16 now, and one of the favorite test of the Sabbatarian for that was his custom. Jesus went to the Sabbath. The same in the original no is a plural Sabbaton. And you know the Colossians chapter 2 no the weekly Sabbath. If you say Paul mentioned in our okay, Exodus chapter 8 the same except chapter 8 the Sabbath no okay no the same, it is in plural in the original. And okay Leviticus chapter 23 so about 37 38 will list the feast in Sabbath no okay odu one is Sabbath is in plural like a weekly Sabbath. And you know sa asem no mo can say Colossians chapter 2 no is not referring to a weekly Sabbath no yearly Sabbath no intro and you know correct and this be a unim Greek no be over than wa but you call Greek no the same weekly Sabbath no is in plural too. Okay, and I see the almost say the next way no the last argument no more you say obviously there's a difference between law and ordinance. So that's what I mean to that obviously there's a difference between law and ordinance because when you come and catch Abraham keep obey my commandment and my ordinance you know say ordinance you know a different from the law. Now, oko Genesis we honor Genesis Genesis 25 now. So okay, ordinances no the Greek name dogma. Now dogma no it just say Genesis 27 now. It just means an opinion or a judgment or doctrine. Decree on chapter 15 emra we for no Judea for bi ni ko kan say Gentile for no circumcised na Paul call Jerusalem won ko kan no omu wie no ma degree so omu ma degree my Lord say Gentile for no ye ha and I say law so an established rule degree by a state or set up standard for the administration of justice. Standard law, set up standard law. Who set it be standard of what law or rules? And there's no difference between law and ordinances. They are all the same. They are all rules. There's a share argument in all you na niti any new in night. Bible no clear say el mrano odima reju for no ayomo kono de ma o ni nyina ye Sabbath nko the whole law na omo pese omo hu se ade na no kre no so ngo nti no ma sheda de wedi bia bem omo che se ceremonial law and a moral law na mo no ceremonial law no and the sacrifice no ni offering no de twem na law no moral law and the commandment be any what is there is nothing like that. There is sacrifice so burnt offering ni no no it will be often the law of the Lord, it will be the law of the Moses. They say there is no distinction between the two. Who don't confess presume maybe don't confess our word no buy and you know be anywhere actually say in this Sabbath so be anyhow and so no chenchinia see so okay. You have funny say Ye fa say ye hu hwi o but do ye fa say almost ye ni Sabbath no so. Na ye bra Sabbath no so. Ye na Sabbath no so. Na Sabbath no ye ko Exodus chapter 20. Na Exodus chapter 20 no Sabbath no. Or say, remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. Remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. Okay, how do you keep it holy? Ma mommy and Kai said Sabbath no the man Israel for no. Or say it's a sign. It's a sign between me and you, Israel. It's a sign. And yes, sign between the whole world though. A sign between me and Israel. Okay, Exodus chapter 21 I war. A sign is saying, sign is say mu na mu nkwa. Ana me made a meji mu. Ana my mama say mu home. Sa home no, and the sign say mu koye nkwa. Exodus 35. Me ye nkwa bi o bia. Okay. Ana Deuteronomy 5 is just say mun ka say mu koye nkwa. Ene Yakobon de edi nsa eyi mu ba. Eni ti ne o mama say mu ni Sabbath we so mu home da no. Number 1. Okay. Women say you be Sabbath holy. Say o kai ni dey say you bia bitimi akai bi. Of course enye ya di bi we bia bitimi akai Sabbath. Na women say dey be holy na. Say be te ho. Because without holy no Sabbath no. When they say anyhow, what do you mean kai Sabbath without making it holy? Anyhow. And you know how do you make it holy no? Okay. Say or the mom say or the sign. No mkoye nkwasum no. Okay, mo hwese no mo ye no. Wow, I see no work to be done. Exodus 20 verse 9, 8 to 9. I see no work to be done. There's omun ko bebia, omun ko fu, omun ko bebia. Omun yomo duani nyina ene say 6 days no mo ye, 7 days no omun ye we bia. Ana omo the second one, the third one, Sabbath rest. Any a Jew for no fin Sabbath journey. Sabbath journey no way for no. Oma she Rabika way for no Jew for no. Oma time distance between the to the temple no. Maybe 2 miles, which is about 1.5 to 2 kilometers. Utimiko. Okay, chapter 1 verse 12 now. It is from Jerusalem to Mount Olive. It's about a 7-day journey. And in Jew for accept Sa Emrano. And it was between 1.5 to 2 hours, 2 kilometer. Now, when is this one? Why need this one? Why I need this one? Baby, sir. Number 4, say no kindle of fire. Exodus chapter 35, verse 1 to 3. Kindle of fire, no, just say, men ready, and men so cania, men so crowd, gas, and men so, men. Why I need this one? Why I need this one? Did you say, why I need this one? I know, or catch them say, during the Sabbath, no, burnt offering to be offered. Numbers 28, verse 9 to 10, by the priest. One are the yes and that is, these are the things that they will do in order to keep the Sabbath holy. One yes, no, or just say breaking of that Sabbath no should be stoned to death. Exodus 35. Yeah, who will be or kokoya mukun. Exodus chapter 15. Okay, 32 down. No, see, case between anyone who will not obey the whole law. Now, mommy even film, me even count. Now, maybe say any one individually or church pay any disamra with so. One and they do in Rasamo with so. One obey anyone. Sabbath no muka Sabbath no. Sadly, we say na actually in order to keep it holy no obey any with this. Obey any with this. Omo can Sabbath keke. So also with this one, I say when you come catch on say. Romans chapter, Galatians chapter 3, or see Galatians chapter 2, Galatians chapter 3, or see, case between anyone who will not what do all that is written in the law, all that. And this also in the Sabbath to swear, or see then the Sabbath no work to be done, no kindling of fire, no journey, or see the Sabbath journey no, it's not be more than 2 kilometers. Burnt offering should be offered. Then obey breaking, it had to be stoned to death. One aso wana Sabbath for mo kan obie no oyɛ saa awo kan keke anu keke no mo ka keep Sabbath but Sabbath no ye de law no ba anama sesa law no obi okay ya sesa law na mo nkyerɛ o Bible no enfa na onyame says okay Sabbath no mundi na se no se ne ya hyemra o mo nkyerɛ ye mo nkyerɛ se okay Sabbath no you see ye ni na mo no onyame change Sabbath no se ne se ye no ana on be ka se Sabbath no ceremonial we na yefi ho na ceremonial no yefi ho de a na say this is no Sabbath because a law is made holy by reason of what by ceremony and to keep it holy no and by no keep it holy ni ho de a then there's no Sabbath and we say no mo kan say Sabbath no mo keep keke samra we on obi no odi so no Sabbath ni bi oso odi so no on chro me no kan chre me boman drum keke engineer no sa Sabbath no ni emra no na Onyankopon di man no Judaism no Jew for no kwa no de ma na samra no okay Bible no ya utim say we Christians today we are under a new Jeremiah 31:31 Romans chapter 8:7 priest who has been changed the law who has been changed because and then priest for no Sabbath no Sabbath offering no priest for no say omo ye omo ne so mo kunwan no sa Sabbath no obi ni odi so obi ni wa ne odi so omo kan keke na ye ka we say na priest no ne mo na o sacrifice na be say ye di we say na ye ka no ende ewo Numbers bi na make no o kire say o kan Numbers chapter 28 na verse 9 8 and 9 na was it on the Sabbath day 2 male lamb a year old without blemish and 2/10 of an ephah of fine flour for a grain offering mixed with oil and its drink offering. This is the burnt offering of every Sabbath beside the regular burnt offering and its drink offering. Every Sabbath, 2 what? 2 male lamb. 2 male lamb. They have to be sacrificed by the priest. What? Individual ben yesa. Church ben yesa. Enti no enuanu no credit o ho a na ya waka. Sabbath. You share Sabbath no mra no pa na onyamere to wo no. A o se me bi fi, me fi bi nka ho. No. Obi no odi so. And you know ye pese ene no ye di si ase na mu no ye hu se sa we say na o ma ye ni nyina no. Point no ye hu ni nyina say Sabbath no and started from the beginning. There was no Sabbath there. And at Abraham, Isaac, Noah, Odi Sabbath. The word Sabbath is not even found in the book of Genesis. The first Sabbath, Exodus chapter 16. Israel for no the Mao. There are about 600 law, no the Mao. Priest, how they should dress, what they should eat, who they should marry, and Israel for no made the exam they be almost 600. Nemono catch them say foreigner will not so with dim rana almost the circumcising. And then Emra, Sambrano, Onyankopon, Chris Sabbath, Onya, yes, when Israel for one of the Mao. He am passe, yes, every day, every say, he will know a woman, Nemono. Or for feeling brano, it's your phone, and it was your phone so I didn't raffle from by. And in tennis, your phone no more than 2 phone. A pong woman. I didn't if the mom send your more children, and your most different from the law of the Judaism. Very clear. And you who say poor so no correct one could disaba, Nemuno, or walk or sassina go on like a can and yassam. Now, she accusation of the man in Anna and interested of waiting. And whom say Sa Hebrew chapter 4 verse 9 no enkyere Sabbath day. Na mu no Sabbath rest no Sabbatism no rest. Promise. Na mu no command. And then we say James chapter 2 verse 9 no also enkyere say Christian for the yeni Sabbath. Na mu no ko to murder and adultery no. From say so we say na we wanye we are. Na they say unra no ni so. Also we ni nyina. Na eno no kra no law of nature obia ya na no nyina no sa omunim dida. And who also say there's no difference between ceremonial law and moral law. They are the same. And also who said there's no difference between law and ordinances. They are ayemra. And even who says Sabbath no akasano to keep it holy no. Say when this we juma and this unregiane a Sabbath journey no it's no more than 2 kilometers no. And a burnt offering, 2 male lamb, no, we for labor for the year, and a penalty for breaking, no. Ubi no esa. Obi ni wa ene oye di samra we so. Now, the last quotation, Amos, chapter 8, verse 8 to 9. Israel phone bisa say time ben na Sabbath beko. Sam ben na new moon ni we nyina beko. Ni wetimi akodidwa yakodwa ni ya to slaves ni ade. And Amos catch on say sada no will be the da. Kujakopon e da. E we kete no. The sun will be what dark. And how can sada na e sada na Yesu e bonus in you no. If you take it, there was darkness. So the Sabbath has gone. And in Sabbath, the whole system of Judaism is no more. We are in a new era, Christianity. And the Esrema, Muslim Bible, ni no kreno. Na no kreno, and the mede Ajiankwa. I mean, can you now? That's all question being asked of person beside, and also person try. Sure. Church limo. I mean, can you know, no more on the because time, I ever sent you in Jesus' name. Amen.